Welcome back to my channel. It doesn't matter how long you sustain on earth, how much money you have gathered, or how many achievements you have done. All it counts is your good deeds. Yes, as long as you are on this earth, help the needy and make yourself feel contented for stretching your hands to the needy people. What you do today will get back to you in some other form. So be good and do good. Hello viewers, once again a warm welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be learning 35 most common words used in English, and the same will be translated in Hindi, Tamil, Kannada and Telugu. So before getting into the video, please do subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends and family members. So without making any further delay, let's get started. So at first we'll be learning from English to Tamil. In English, he would be translated in Tamil as avan, or in a respectful way of saying is our. She is aval. It is adu in Tamil. Now coming to I is nan in Tamil. You is ni in Tamil, or in a respectful way of saying is neengal. Now coming to they. They in Tamil, it's been translated as avargal. We as naam or nangal. Him as avanukku. Her is avalodaya. Me is nan. Now let's see few examples for me being used in the sentences. My boss motivated me to reach the monthly target. Just give me a minute. Will you give me a cup of coffee? It was me who ate the chocolate cake which was kept in the refrigerator. Will you please get me a chocolate? For me is enakku in Tamil. Us is ungalodaya. There as avargalodaya. Our as engalodaya. His in English, it's been translated as avanodaya in Tamil. Mine as ennodayadu. Us in English, and the same it's been translated as namakku in Tamil. Where as inge. This as idu. In the upcoming classes we will be learning how these words are being used in the sentences. Now moving to that. That in English, the same it's been translated in Tamil as anda or adu. Go in English is po in Tamil. Myself in English is nane in Tamil. Itself in English is tane in Tamil. Guys, check out my other videos too, which are being posted with the basics of multiple language learning. So without skipping, watch till end and watch other videos too. Now moving to question framing words. So who in English, the same it's been translated as yar in Tamil. For example, who are you? The same it's been translated as yar ni, or also you can ask as neengal yar. This is also the way of asking who are you in a respectful way of asking. Asking someone about their identity. Now moving to whose. Whose in English, the same it's been translated as yardu in Tamil. When in Tamil is eppo. Now let's see the sentence with these words being used in Tamil and English. For example, when are you going to home? The same it's been translated in Tamil as eppo neenga veetukku povinga. There as anga in Tamil. Come as vaanga in Tamil. Again, it's a respectful way of calling someone to come in Tamil. What in English, the same it's been translated as enna in Tamil. Why as ain in Tamil. Because as adanal in Tamil. Can. The same it's been said as mudiyum in Tamil. For example, I can do this. The same you can say in Tamil as ennal idu mudiyum, which is again a question framing word in English. So let's see one or two examples using the word which by framing the questions. For example, which is your hometown? Which state are you coming from? Which is your birthplace? Which is your favorite color? And you can frame many and many questions using the word which. So the same word in Tamil, it's been said as yanda. So that's it from English to Tamil. So now we'll be switching on to other languages. We are going to learn in Hindi. So at first, the word he is being translated in Hindi as usne, she as वह, it as वो. The word I in English, it's been translated as मैं in Hindi. For example, I did this. This can say in Hindi as मैंने किया है. It means I did this. You as आप, they as वे, we as हम. Now let's see few examples. We are all one. So the same sentence when it's been translated in Hindi, it goes as हम सब एक हैं. Now let's see the second sentence. We must not be late. So the same sentence when it's been translated in Hindi, the sentence goes as हमें देर नहीं होना चाहिए. And the third sentence is we all of us are coming tomorrow. In the same sentence when it's been translated in Hindi, it goes as हम सब लोग कल आ रहे हैं. Now let's look into other words. Him as उसे, her as उसके, me as मैं, मेरे लिए is for me. First in English, the same in Hindi is आपका. There in English, the same in Hindi is उनका. And then हमारा. हमारा means ours. Mine in English. So the same in Hindi is मेरा. हमें in Hindi. The same in English is us. किधर. This is again a question framing word. किधर means where. In Hindi, the same in English is this. In Hindi, the same in English is these. वो in Hindi, the same in English is that. जाइए in Hindi is a respectful way of saying go. In English, खुद in Hindi is nothing but myself. In English, itself in English is nothing but अपने आप. In Hindi, now coming to question framing words. कौन in Hindi, the same in English is who. Who are you? Same in Hindi is आप कौन हैं. Whose in English is nothing but किसका in Hindi. Whose pen is this? ये किसका कलम है. कब in Hindi, the same in English is when. When is your birthday? आपका जन्मदिन कब है. उधर in Hindi, the same in English is there. Come in English, the same in Hindi is आओ और आइए. What in English is क्या in Hindi. What is your name? The same when it's been translated in Hindi as आपका नाम क्या है. And also you can ask in other ways तुम्हारा नाम क्या है. Both means the same. To why. Why in Hindi is क्यों. क्योंकि in Hindi, the same in English is because. कर सकते हैं in Hindi, the same in English it's been translated as can. कौन सा is nothing but which in English. Example, which is your hometown. The same in Hindi it's been translated as आपका गृह नगर कौन सा है. Till now we have learned 35 most common words used in English from English to Hindi. So now we are switching on to Telugu and Kannada. He in English, the same in Telugu is Atanu, or also you can say as Vadu. And the same in Kannada is Avanu. Now let's see the sentence using he in a sentence. What is he doing? in English, the same in Telugu is వాడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు. And the same in Kannada, ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. She in English, the same in Telugu is ಆವಿಡ, or also you can say as ಆಮೆ. And in Kannada, it's ಅವಳು. ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. In Kannada, and the same in Telugu is ఆమె ఏం చేస్తుంది. The same sentence in English is what is she doing. It in Telugu is అది. In Kannada, it is adu. నేను in Telugu is I in English, and the same in Kannada is నాను. Next, నువ్వు in Telugu is nothing but you in English. In Kannada, it is ನೀನು. What are you doing in English? The same sentence when it's been translated in Telugu is నువ్వు ఏం చేస్తున్నావు. And the same in Kannada, the translation goes as ನೀನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯಾ. They in English, the same in Telugu is వాళ్ళు, and the same in Kannada goes as avaru. మేము in Telugu is we in English. ನಾವು in Kannada. His in English, the same in Telugu is వాడికి, and in Kannada ಅವನಿಗೆ. Her in English, in Telugu is ఆమది, and in Kannada it's ಅವಳದು. Me in Telugu is నేను, and in Kannada it's నాను. For me in English, the same in Telugu is నాకి, and in Kannada ನನಗೆ. Yours in Telugu is మీది, and the same in Kannada is ನಿಮ್ದು. వాళ్ళది is nothing but theirs in English, and the same in Kannada is ಅವರದು. It's theirs. In Telugu, the sentence is ఇది వాళ్ళది, and the same in Kannada is ಇದು ಅವರದು. Our in English is మాది in Telugu, and in Kannada it is ನಮ್ದು. Now we are going to learn question framing words, where in Telugu is ekkada, and the same in Kannada is ఎల్లి. Where are you coming from? The same sentence in Telugu is మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చారు, and the same in Kannada is ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Now moving to ఇది. ఇది is nothing but it in English, and the same in Kannada is ಇದು. ఇవి. ఇవి is nothing but these in English. ఇವು in Kannada. That in Telugu is అది, and the same in Kannada is adu. పోండి, or also you can say as po. That is nothing but go in English, and Kannada it is hogu, or also you can say as hogri. Hogri is a respectful way of saying to go to elders. Myself in Telugu is nene, and the same in Kannada is nane. Who, yavaru in Telugu, yaru in Kannada. Who are you? మీరు ఎవరు. In Kannada, ಯಾರು ನೀವು. Now, whose. In English, the same in Telugu is ఎవరిది, and in Kannada, ಯಾರ್ದು. ఎప్పుడు is when in English, ಯಾವಾಗ in Kannada. అక్కడ, there in English, ಅಲ್ಲಿ in Kannada. What in English, the same in Telugu is ఏమిటి, and in Kannada ಏನು. What is your name? The same sentence when it's been translated in Telugu, the sentence goes as నీ పేరు ఏమిటి, and in Kannada నిన్న ಹೆಸరు ಏನು. Can in Telugu is చేయవచ్చు, and in Kannada ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. యాది in Telugu ಯಾವುದು in Kannada, which is nothing but which in English. From in English ఎక్కడించి in Telugu, and the same in Kannada is ఎల్లింద. Where are you coming from? ఎక్కడించి మీరు వస్తున్నారు, ఎల్లింద ನೀವು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. This is in Kannada. Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other. An individual learning begins right from his birth. Learning is a modification of behavior through experience. It is a continuous change which prolongs throughout your life. Learning multiple languages is very much important to keep pace with the competitive world. Join my tutorial to travel around without any communication problem. As always, my kind request would be to join my channel by subscribing, like and share with your friends and family members. Stay tuned for next wonderful video. Thanks for watching. Till we catch up in next video of multiple language learning. As of now, bye-bye.